I have been a Brazil supporter from a youth coming up.
Brazil a stars among stars. I don't lose a star, no star.
And your team are playing. Why you
1994, I support Brazil. From my Asian days, you know, we always say Ronaldo is always the favorite baller. But the best, the greatest. 5-star, who would support Brazil? With the likes of Ronaldo back in the days, England. Debito, coming up the line like Neymar, Junior, Rivaldo. What's to forget them name there?
I've always enjoyed the way they play football, the flowing, skills-based approach to the game, attacking football, and so on.
The reason why I support Brazil also because Brazil wear the same color as Jamaica, yellow.
I'm green.
All right, so you know.
I'm looking forward to the rest of the tournament, and you know, whoever wins, that's great. You know, Brazil is what I'm bringing.
Drop on them boy, they bring it up. And the jungle is yellow.
It's part of the culture of the country, football, you know. Most youths grow up playing football. More and more ladies grow up playing football nowadays, which is great.